Stand with your legs hip width apart. Bend your knees a little bit. We're going to bring the pelvis to the front and back, tilting it back and forth. Now, when we work on our pelvis, we're also working on our hips here. They both go hand in hand. So feel your pelvis moving in a tilt forward and in a tilt backward. Okay, and come back to center. You're going to tilt it from side to side. So feeling like one side is being pulled to the side while the other side takes its turn to being pulled later. So it's essentially very much like a pendulum, if you may like. And you might feel the side of your torso being elongated, like a soft, stretchy feeling. And you're going to come back, we're going to stop here, and we're going to do the full pelvic circle. One important reminder is that when we tilt the pelvis back and forth, we're going to make sure that we start in a position of a slightly bent knee and our hips are slightly folded, yeah? So just make sure we don't start this way, because if you start with a sway back, you ain't going to get much movement. You might even get a bit of pull in your low back, and that is not what we want. No, no. Bend your knees again. Tilt your pelvis forward. Bring it to the side. Bring it to the back, side and front. Going through the full 360 range in full circular motion. Coming back to center and reverse the direction. So where do you feel tight in this circular motion? Because we all have tightness somewhere. Where you feel tight, make sure you still go in a full circular motion, but do it slowly so that we don't bypass the tight spot. And last circle here. You can come to a stop.
Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.